Shipping orders to the correct address is critical for smooth delivery, and Ordoro's address validation feature helps you get it right every time. Let's go over how to use this powerful tool. Click the Filters button on the Orders tab and navigate to the Ship to Address Validation filters under the Miscellaneous section. There are 4 filter options. All displays all orders regardless of address validation status. Valid Addresses shows orders with addresses validated by the USPS validation tool. Addresses with Warnings displays orders with warnings. These addresses appear in yellow with a warning icon. Hover over the icon to view more details. Warnings suggest adding specific details for USPS standards, but can still ship at your risk. Non-US addresses often trigger warnings due to USPS's focus. Invalid Addresses displays orders with invalid addresses, shown in red with an error icon. Hover over the icon to see the specific issue, such as missing or incorrect details. While you can attempt label creation, success isn't guaranteed. To edit an address, click Edit next to the Ship to address. A modal will appear with the address and suggested corrections. Make changes and click Save to update. With these filters, you can spot issues, make corrections, and ensure your packages get where they're meant to go. Address validation has never been easier with Ordoro.